Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will look at an example involving the volume and surface area of a cone.
In this example, we have a quadrant with radius 12 cm and it is folded to form a cone, and OA will coincide with OB. So if we can imagine how the cone will look like, it will be something like this. So this area of the quadrant here, which I'm shading in yellow, is actually the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, if you can imagine how it will look like, it's actually this curved surface area over here. So in other words, the area of the quadrant would be equal to the curved surface area, where the formula is given as pi RL. In this case, the radius of the quadrant is 12 cm. If you imagine the cone being folded, right, actually the OA and OB are going to coincide here. So in other words, the OA and OB is actually the 12 cm. And in this case, in the cone, the 12 cm is actually the slant height. Okay, so in order for us to find the radius of the cone, which is what we want to find, the R, we will need to find the area of the quadrant first. So the area of the quarter circle or the quadrant would be equal to 1/4 times pi times radius squared, which is 12 squared. So working this out, and perhaps it will be more efficient to leave the answer as in terms of pi, 36 pi. That is the area of the quadrant. But this area of this quadrant is really equal to the curved surface area of the cone, right, which is given by the formula pi RL. Note that the radius of the cone is different from the radius of the quadrant. We already know the curved surface area is 36 pi because the curved surface area is equal to the area of the quadrant, right? We have pi times the radius of the cone, which is what we want to find, times the slant height, which is 12. Okay, the slant height is actually the radius of the quadrant. So now we can simply divide by pi on both sides, and then we again divide by 12 on both sides, so we get R to be 3. So the radius of the cone is actually just simply 3 cm.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.